Hey lovelies, my name is Sweets and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you've decided to stop by. Here at my channel, we dive deep into tutorials that will help you create digital products for either yourself or to be able to sell to others. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned expert, there's something for everyone. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the fun. And if you like what you see, don't hesitate to share with your family or friends. I'm always open to feedback and suggestions, so feel free to drop a comment or reach out, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thank you for being here, and let's jump right in. Hey my lovelies. So I am going to show you how to do this cool effect that I saw someone else do, and I can't remember who or where I saw this from, but it looked really cool and it gives a really nice effect. So if you're going to be showcasing work or you just want a cool little video to create, this is a nice idea. So basically I am making 4 rectangles the same size, and because I have 4 different images and you want them, different colors, and you can add whatever effects you want, whatever color scheme you want to do. I just chose this. So I added my 4 rectangles, and then I added my clip arts, and I'm just adding a name to each of my clip arts. And then I wanted to get the elements that I wanted for the names. So basically, you're going to start with one slide that has all of the same sized rectangles. And then you're going to copy that one, or you can make a few different copies. I've done it a couple different ways. So you can copy the first slide, and then on the second slide, you're going to make one of the rectangles really big. It's about, I think it's 900 pixels. And then you're going to make the other 3 rectangles smaller, about 350 with the width. And then you can just move your images to fit your rectangles. So you want to the smaller rectangles, you want to just move the little sides to cut off the picture a little bit, because you want them to kind of overlap, if that makes sense. And then once you do that and you have your big rectangle, it's not really a rectangle now, I guess, but it's a really big area that's the 900 width, and then you're going to have the other 3 that are the 350 width. You want to make sure all your clip arts are positioned right. You want to make sure that the one that's in the 900 width is bigger, and then you want to bring the name down in front of, wherever you want it, but you want to bring the name down so it's in front of the clip art. It's not above it anymore like the other ones. And then you can add a little effect, I'm adding the little stars on the one that's bigger, so that when it showcases, it'll showcase with the stars in the background of the bigger size. So it's showcasing this one clip art now with the stars in the back. So when the video goes, that's what it's going to do. And basically, you're going to just copy this. You have 4 clip arts, so you're going to do 4 slides with the big image, each one having its own big image for each clip art. And then once you have completed it, then you want to check your work and and also add the transition. So in between your slides, you're going to add the transition, match and move. And then once it's added to all slides, then you want to hit play and you want to watch it to make sure that it's the way that you wanted it. And here's the end result. A nice video of your presentation, of your clip art. Thank you for watching, lovelies. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.